In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Permissions and Privacy. Then scroll down to hit Permission Manager and tap on one of your apps you wish to manage or one of your features that you wish to manage. I will go with this app. Now select one of those sections like Contacts and pick one of those options, Allow or Don't Allow. Then go back. If you decided to select one of your features like Calendar, click on it. Select an app that you are interested in and tap on one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!